crude continues to struggle to find support. Luke, if we take a look at the 5-day chart, this doesn't seem to be about a rising U.S. dollar. It just seems as if the fundamentals are completely broken here.
Yeah, maybe they are. I mean, the dollar's been getting stronger for quite a while now. I mean, 12 years. And, you know, again, the volatility in oil is really shocking to me. It's the biggest commodity in the world, and it trades like a mid-cap stock. So these daily movements are really big. But again, you know, as we've said, and you and I talked before, it's got to break 40 for me to really start to get worried. And it's got that floor underneath it, and I think it's going to trade in this range for a while.
What are you looking for in terms of the upside? Do you think we get back to 60 as the summer driving season creates some demand?
Well, no, I don't think we get back to 60 by the summer, but I would be careful because if you look at unleaded gasoline prices, they've been going up while crude has been coming down and crude supplies have been building, right? So just because the price of oil is going down doesn't mean unleaded gasoline prices are going to go down as well. They've actually been going up. But I don't think we get to 60 by the summer. I really have to see what the demand out of China is going to look like. Some of the China numbers today weren't that great. And let's see what Europe does by the end of the year, but not by the summer. I don't think so.
So explain to us how gasoline prices at the pump continue to rise while crude moves lower. How does that work?
Well, it works in a lot of different ways. The first way is that if, let's say, you know, there's an unlimited supply of crude, but there's only one well to get it out of, right, there's going to be a bottleneck. If there's an unlimited supply of crude and there's only 2 or 3 refiners, well, you know, the price is going to be higher. So the supply of crude is a lot larger than the number of refiners there are to refine these products. And also, I think there's a little bit of, you know, the pessimist in me says there's a little bit of squeezing in the market. And they know the summer driving season is coming up. You can shut down a refinery anytime you want for cleaning or maintenance or whatever you want to call it. That affects prices, and that's the way it is.
All right, so at best, we're just looking at range-bound trading like we've seen over the past month or two.
Yeah, I think so in crude for sure anyway, but also, you know, look at all the refined products. Airline tickets have not gone down, but fuel costs for airlines have gone down significantly. So a lot of this stuff about a tax break for the consumer and oil prices are down or whatever, that hasn't followed or trickled down to the consumer as much as people like to think. So I would keep an eye on those things.
Okay, thanks very much, Luke. We appreciate the insight.
Thanks for having me again.
For TheStreet in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.